Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I took the car to a shop a couple days ago and they installed a Steeda PVC oil air separator back here in the back of the thing, and they drove the car. Immediately when they drove the car, he called me over and said smoke was coming out of the valve cover, breather, just coming out of all the bolt hole covers. It was coming out of over here, the bolt hole covers. I couldn't really understand it. He said the car had blow-by. I wasn't sure, but when I first got the car, the oil was coming from the throttle, from this valve cover back into the throttle body, and was coating all the sensors. So anyway, I'm gonna start it. I went ahead and took that PVC oil air separator, the Steeda one. I'm not sure how much gas I got in this thing, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it. And I don't know whether it does have blow-by or not, and I don't know how much gas I got, so if it doesn't start, it doesn't start. But I wanted to show you something else. I'm real low on gas. I removed that and took it apart off, and then I have some kind of exhaust leak on both sides of the seat. But watch when I plug the MAF Sensor, what happens. And you can see it's not steady anymore, it's a little bit rough. Not running that good. Now let's plug it back in. See, it's running good now.